Hello there. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Do take care of yourselves and your entire family. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Tanmay Joshi. You can call me TJ. Now let me tell you some things about myself so that you will get to know me a little bit better. I am 20 years old and I live in India. Currently, I am pursuing a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Due to crazy interest in technology from childhood, I have always been inclined towards technology and would research a lot of things, lot of gadgets that would interest me. This nerdy habit of exploring tech has made me start a new YouTube channel so that I can share whatever things I know with all of you. So there are few things I am more interested in, such as laptops, smartphones. You can also expect videos having rumors, leaks, latest unboxing, hands-on experiences and reviews of the latest gadgets on this channel. I will also drop some informative tech talk videos and how to do videos very soon. The main motive of this channel is to provide some quality content and information with all of you guys. So whenever you need some tech related videos, you can always turn to me. So now you may think what I need in return. It's simple as that. I need your feedback and suggestions. So provide them in the comment section of my videos. Leave a like on this video and do not forget to subscribe. Until the next time, see you.